So today we're at the Hurricane Expo going over surge protection in people's homes. Here in Florida and anywhere in the United States, all of the appliances are made with very sophisticated, sensitive electronic components. So you really want to put a whole home surge protection on your home at all cases. It is currently now, if you build a new home, it is current code to have one installed on every new home just for that reason. We have our PSP surge protection unit here. It is a nipple mount unit, means it can be mounted directly on the outside. All you have to do is support the actual nipple, which makes it a very easy install. It comes with 120,000 amp per phase capacity. It is one of the highest ratings for surge protections on the market. It also hooks right up into the panel, usually closest to the main disconnect, and then goes to your grounding system to displace all of that unwanted transient surge to the ground. The unit has a built-in LED as well as an annunciator on there, a siren that basically will go off if the unit is broken and needs to be replaced. Which great thing about this unit, it has a lifetime warranty on it. So if it is broken, the surge damaged it, they will replace the unit free of cost. With that surge also, we have the lifetime warranty on it, like I was saying. But we also have surge protection because it is recommended. Anything outside the home, we want to put something on like your AC or your pool panels, and that way you have complete coverage. Also, we'd do something for the cable coming in, your low voltage. And that way it covers all of your exterior appliances as well as any of the feeds coming from the outside. So this is our PSP. It is the way to go for home protection surge.
Our soft start AC unit. You know, install one of these in your AC. You know, if you do have a portable generator, whenever this kicks on, it's not kicking on so much power. That way you can actually run your AC on your portable generator. So I do think it's a good fit and everyone should have it.
So this is an interlock kit that can go with your portable generator. So currently it's in the on position. You would slide it in the off position. Slide this up. So this main breaker will no longer be able to turn on and backfeed the power company, and then you can turn on your generator and start using it.
So how do we plug it in?
So this one is a twist lock, so you would plug your generator cord in and turn it until it locks in place.
My job is more of a responsibility for the people out there to make sure that your power stays on, your food stays cold, and your family stays safe. Major brand is Generac, and the reason is, for one, they're one of the most reputable ones in the game. And there's plenty of great brands out there, but Generac's the most reliable. With 10 years of experience with that brand so far, I wouldn't pick another one over it. This time of the year, an oil change is very important because we're about to hit hurricane season. And if you don't keep up with maintenance on your generator and the hurricanes come through, it's going to be the worst time to find out that you needed that oil change or you needed maintenance on that generator. The best time to do it is now, before you need the generator itself.
All right, so do we just need an oil change, or are there other things that we need to consider before storm season?
So you need an oil change, but you need inspection too. So there's things like your spark plugs, your air filter. Of course, you want people to be looking at the sensors on that engine. And we want to make sure that everything from the valve gaps to the temperature of the engine when running and RPMs are all good. So there's a lot more into it, but really we're just here to take a look at the generator and make sure it's doing what it's supposed to before you need it. So when you need it, it's going to do what you need it to.
Are you certified to do maintenance oil changes?
Yeah, I'm certified in air-cooled generators. I went to Generac schooling. I got the certification in it, so I can actually use the dealer codes and everything to make sure I can check and maintain all the things with the components for the generators. I've been doing it for about a year and a half now, working on installs. I just recently switched to the generator department, got more interested in that, so I do whole home generators, the installations, everything with startups. It's nice to have generators because when you run out of power and stuff, you always got power, so you don't have to worry about that. You get to learn a little bit about mechanical components with starters and everything, and stators and the motor and everything. It's good knowledge to know, so it's like kind of similar to a car engine, so if you know how to maintain a generator engine, it's very similar in that way, so I think it's useful and good thing to have.
You gonna make a career out of this?
Oh, for sure.
Absolutely love it.